Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are working on a 1982 Galaxy boat. It's pretty much an antique, you can almost say, but it's been in pretty rough shape. I've done quite a bit of work, and let's go and start from the rear. So here we have the outdrive. It's a Mercruiser outdrive. I had to rebuild a pump on it, so the propeller or the impeller inside was completely dry rotted and there was no fins or pumping water into the engine, cooling it down. So it's got a little stand in the back, the ladder. I had to install a speedometer also right there. So it's actually in not too bad of a shape, I'd say, for a 1982. The wheels look pretty bad, but overall it looks pretty good. So let's get inside, see what we got here. So this thing originally seats 8 people. I got it the way it is right now with the seat amount and the way it's laid out. So pretty much it seats 8 people, as you can see on the tag, and it's quite a bit of people for a boat like this. And another surprising thing, this boat has seats and it's not even ripped. It's pretty decent condition, I'll say. I don't think these are original seats. I think they have been replaced before. Also, this seat or bench top over the engine is pretty ripped up, as you can tell right here, because the wood dry rotted or actually rotted, and they created rips from the screws coming through and basically made it into a bad mess. But overall, everything's pretty nice. These pockets have a little room to stow away some stuff there, and yeah, and they lock in there. This seat pops open and becomes into a bench, just like that. So it's actually pretty nice to have some room to relax. So that's another good thing for this little boat. And also on the bottom we have some room to store some parts or life jackets and stuff like that. So that's a extra bonus right there. Glove box works and everything, opens up. So let's check out the engine. It's a 4-cylinder Mercruiser, and it's carbureted. I think it has a 26-gallon tank. It has a brand new battery that I installed. I had to work with some of the wiring on this thing. Also, this thing has a installed alternator which can charge your battery. Now, these were supposedly not included when you purchased this boat originally. So this is an accessory that you can add, and it has a forward bracket that adds to this thing. I believe these engines are made by Ford. Not exactly sure, maybe somebody knows. But had to rebuild the whole carburetor. Had to rebuild it with a carburetor kit that I bought on Amazon. Can't remember the name brand, but it was a good name brand, made in USA. But everything else works pretty good. Had to buy this coolant little tank right here. The one I had, the plastic got really brittle and fell apart. Starter is original, as you can tell right there, a big massive thing. I did have to clean it up and make it work. It was full of water for some reason. I had to replace the floors on this thing, so I had to cut out plywood and install it, and also I had to fiberglass this floor. I bought the fiberglass kit online on eBay. You can purchase the whole kit for like 100 bucks, and it comes with a big mat that will cover this whole hole that you replace. And yeah, it's pretty nice, fairly simple to use. And then you get 2 gallons of resin and 1 fiber sheet, which is fiberglass, and it actually turns out to be pretty good. And it's nice and sturdy and mounted really nice. Managed to be solid. Got here, you can remove this spot and it's like a walkway path, or you can put the center piece in and it's like basically like a whole sleeping lounge. And it's pretty nice. Got these aluminum rails going up right there. But yeah, it's got this window that you can close, I guess kind of from the waves and stuff. So this is a Mercruiser. I'm not sure if this company still exists or not, but yeah, this is an old boat, and it performs decently. It still needs some adjustment with the throttle and stuff like that, but overall I would say it's pretty nice. All the lights work. I did have to do a lot of the wiring with the blower. Basically is what adds more fresh air into the rear compartment of the engine, which the blower is attached to here, and there's a pump which I'll show you right now. It's that white pump right there, and it blows fresh air into there. Also, there is an automatic bilge pump in there. Also, the bilge pump, you can turn it on manually. If for some reason it doesn't turn on, you can go right here, switch it up, and that thing will fire right up. Horn does not work. Tilt works, as you can hear, and it works right here. So that did not work. Neither of these buttons worked. They were having issues. So the lights, you can turn on all the lights together, or you can just turn on the back light, go all the way down. And yep. So we do have 40 pounds of oil pressure when you start the engine. So overall, I am very satisfied with the boat. Let's take a over top glance of this boat. It's a solid boat overall, I'd say. All right, let's go and give it a little start. All right, so we're ready to start the boat. Got the water on, and let's jump right into it. Got the key in. Let's give it a few revs. So there it is. Runs pretty decent, I would say. And I'm pretty happy. And let's go shut the water off. Oops. So basically, here's the earmuffs. They slide right over, just like that. And that pressure will just basically go into the pump, and it seals it off from both sides, and the pump basically sucks it up, which works fantastically. Supposedly you're not supposed to go over like a couple thousand RPMs, maybe not even 2,000, I'm not sure. So I got a vent hose right here for the gas tank, gas cap right here, so you can tell right here where it kind of tore the seat up where the previous holes were and the way it was mounted. Overall, it's a solid unit, and the trailer is actually in fantastic condition too. It does look a little rusted. It did have boards right here which were covered with carpet, which the boards rotted out, looked pretty bad. So I got the battery on charge, making it charge up. Missing a little light cap right there. Overall, all the connections work. You even have a title for this boat, no title for the trailer. But overall, pretty solid unit. And I'm pretty happy, I would say. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, smash the like button, share the video, stay tuned for more other cool projects. Peace.